The internet is a vast and ever-changing landscape, but one thing remains constant. People crave information and connection. In this digital age, the opportunities to share your voice and expertise are endless. From social media platforms to personal blogs, the internet provides a stage for everyone to showcase their passions and talents. That's where you come in, intrepid blogger. With the right approach, your blog can become a powerful tool to reach a global audience. It's not just about writing, it's about creating a community, engaging with readers, and providing value through your unique perspective. No longer just a hobby, blogging offers real potential to earn serious income, all while sharing your passions with the world. Imagine turning your favorite pastime into a lucrative career. The possibilities are endless, from sponsored posts and affiliate marketing to selling your own products and services. Whether you dream of quitting your 9-to-5 or simply earning some extra cash, blogging provides a platform to build your own brand and connect with a global audience. It's about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your passions and goals, giving you the freedom to work on your own terms. Gone are the days when blogging was just about online diaries and personal musings. Today, it's a sophisticated industry where content creators can influence trends, shape opinions, and drive consumer behavior. Today, successful bloggers are entrepreneurs, thought leaders, and influencers. They have the power to inspire and educate their audience, making a significant impact in their respective niches. They've transformed their expertise and passions into thriving businesses, generating income through diverse avenues. From advertising and sponsored content to merchandise and online courses, the revenue streams are varied and plentiful. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about dedication, strategy, and a genuine desire to connect with your audience. Building a successful blog takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Imagine waking up every day not to a soul-crushing commute, but to the excitement of building your own online empire. The flexibility and autonomy that come with blogging can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Picture yourself earning passive income while traveling the world, all thanks to the power of your blog. The freedom to work from anywhere is one of the most appealing aspects of being a blogger. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. With the right strategies and a commitment to quality content, you can achieve remarkable success. Thousands of bloggers have already achieved this level of success, and with the right approach, you can too. Learning from those who have paved the way can provide valuable insights and shortcuts to your own success. This guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to turn your blogging dreams into a profitable reality. From content creation and SEO to monetization strategies and audience engagement, you'll learn everything you need to know. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and embark on an exciting journey as a money-making blogger. The road ahead is filled with opportunities, and with passion and perseverance, you can turn your blog into a thriving business. Before you start counting your blog-generated riches, you need to lay a solid foundation. This foundation is crucial for the long-term success and sustainability of your blog. This starts with choosing the right niche, the specific topic or theme your blog will focus on. The niche you select will guide your content, attract your audience, and define your brand. What are you passionate about? Passion is the driving force that will keep you going even when the initial excitement fades. What knowledge do you possess that others would find valuable? Sharing your expertise can position you as an authority in your chosen field. Your niche should be something you're genuinely interested in, as this will fuel your creativity and keep you motivated in the long run. Consistency is key, and genuine interest will help you maintain it. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to select a blogging platform. The right platform can make managing your blog easier and more efficient. WordPress, with its user-friendly interface and vast customization options, remains a popular choice for beginners and seasoned bloggers alike. Its flexibility allows you to tailor your blog to your specific needs. Other platforms like Blogger and Medium offer simpler alternatives, but may limit your monetization options down the line. Consider your long-term goals when choosing a platform. Think of your blog as your online storefront. It's the first thing visitors see, and it represents your brand. It needs to be visually appealing and easy to navigate. A cluttered or confusing layout can drive visitors away. Choose a clean and professional theme that aligns with your brand and niche. This consistency helps build trust with your audience. Invest time in crafting compelling blog post titles, writing clear and concise content, and incorporating high-quality images to capture your readers' attention. Engaging content is what will keep your audience coming back for more. Remember, first impressions are crucial. A visitor's initial experience can determine whether they stay or leave. A well-designed and user-friendly blog will not only attract visitors, but also encourage them to stick around, explore your content, and ultimately become loyal readers. User experience plays a significant role in retaining your audience, and loyal readers are the lifeblood of any successful blog. They engage with your content, share it with others, and help build a community around your blog. Nurturing this relationship is essential for growth and sustainability. You've heard it before, content is king. But what does that actually mean in the world of blogging? It means that the content you produce is the foundation of your blog's success. It all boils down to providing value to your readers. Value can come in many forms, whether it's through educating, entertaining, or inspiring your audience. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to their interests and needs. This means understanding your audience deeply and tailoring your content to address their specific pain points and curiosities. Whether you're sharing insightful tips, thought-provoking opinions, or entertaining stories, your goal is to establish yourself as a trusted source of information within your niche. This trust is built over time through consistent and high-quality content. While quality reigns supreme, consistency is key. Consistency not only helps in retaining your current audience, but also in attracting new readers who can rely on your regular updates. A sporadic posting schedule won't cut it in the competitive blogosphere. Readers and search engines alike favor blogs that are updated regularly. Aim to publish new content regularly, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily. The frequency depends on your capacity and the expectations of your audience. Consistency keeps your audience engaged and signals to search engines that your blog is active and relevant. This can improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. However, don't fall into the trap of churning out subpar content just to meet a deadline. Quality should never be sacrificed for quantity. It's better to publish one stellar blog post every 2 weeks than to flood your site with mediocre content. High-quality posts are more likely to be shared, commented on, and appreciated by your readers. Remember, every post should provide value to your readers and leave them wanting more. This will encourage them to return to your blog and engage with your content regularly. Think of your blog posts as individual chapters in the larger story of your blog. Each chapter should contribute to the overall narrative and keep your readers hooked. Each post should be well-written, well-researched, and visually appealing. This means paying attention to grammar, structure, and the inclusion of relevant images or videos. By consistently delivering high-quality content, you'll build a loyal following that trusts your expertise and eagerly anticipates your next post. This loyalty can translate into higher engagement, more shares, and ultimately, the success of your blog.